Hey, what's up, channel link holder? So, what's going on? Today video is going very special. I am a sick, but I decide to share this information with my brother. So, therefore, kindly I make this video and very hard situation. But please, kindly skip this. Don't skip this video because this is going very important and very special technical analysis of channel link. So let's get start this brand video. But before I get start this brand video, I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. If you just subscribe this channel, then I inform you good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies and any situation every time. Good news or bad news or updates I updating you every hour. So this is absolutely a good channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? And I hope you like this channel. So guys, if you can see here, and all cryptocurrencies it goes down and this on this day, and the reason is simple. I said it in every video. I already said it. So this is the start of month. Please hold it, don't sell it any cryptocurrency. If you are a holder of any cryptocurrency, then absolutely you're doing very big mistake. If you sell it in those days, absolutely you doing very big mistake. I hope all cryptocurrencies which you are used, Cardano and Chainlink, Exorphi, Zeleka, these cryptocurrencies are also my favorite. If you are a holder of these cryptocurrency, then absolutely please don't sell it. And those days, every cryptocurrency as goes down, absolutely the result has gone very bad. Not just unique channel link, but every cryptocurrency goes down. So don't sell it and wait for the mid of month and wait for the end of month. I hope they can change it. So this time, if you can see here, the last 1 hour result is here, and the change is absolutely and the minus. This is absolutely very bad, but I hope they can starting jumping. It's 0.63% they can goes down. So absolutely in the last hour, remember this trend. I said you at the end of this video too. This is selling time or buying time. Okay, so if you can see here, the price is absolutely very important. Remember this 31.559 US dollar is the latest price of Chainlink. So let's check it out, the last 24-hour result, and then I decide to what's going on and what we do. Okay guys, so let's check it out. If you can see here, the 24-hour result is absolutely in the positive. So I think of coming days they can change it and they can make you a millionaire. Absolutely, this is not a good time to the changes is going in a positive. Absolutely, but if you can see here, the last 24-hour is absolutely gone like a rocket. Chainlink is very fastest cryptocurrency, guys. Remember this, okay? Chainlink is not a small cryptocurrency. Chainlink is one of unique and fastest cryptocurrency. If you are a holder of Chainlink, then congratulations, you are a millionaire. You are a millionaire. They make you a millionaire. They can give you absolutely very good profit. You can see here this time 31 US dollar. So absolutely, I hope my expectation is to they can cross 40 US dollar absolutely very fastly coming soon. So just remember to hold it, don't sell it. Not time to sell, okay? Every cryptocurrency is going very fast. So if you are a holder of any cryptocurrency, then keep touch on this channel updating you any good or bad news or etc, and they can guide you to what you do, sell or buy. Every good time is coming to sell it, then absolutely that this channel provide you a one of biggest best brand video. So just wait for this brand video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for video notification. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like video and subscribe channel.